Good day, everyone. Welcome to Direct Stars. Our subject for today is physics, while our topic is scalar and vector quantities. Aim of today's lesson is for you to understand the difference between scalar and vector quantities. Objective of the lesson: at the end of the lesson, you should be able to differentiate between the scalar and the vector quantities. So, at first, what is quantities? Quantities can be defined as the measurable properties of physical system using a number and unit. For this, we call it physical quantities, which can be classified into two types, a scalar or a vector. For a scalar quantity is a physical quantity that has magnitude only but no certain direction. What does that mean? It means that magnitude is the amount of matter in a system. So magnitude, when we say we have 3 kilogram, the magnitude here is the 3 because it shows the amount of matter, 3 of these kilogram. That is magnitude. But in scalar quantity, no direction is given. So we have different examples of that. We have mass, temperature, time, seconds, speed in 60 meters per second, energy, joules, work, volume. All these are scalar quantity because they shows just the magnitude without the direction. Now we go with vector quantities. A vector is a physical quantity that has both magnitude and direction. When we say both magnitude and direction, it means it shows the amount of matter and also shows the location of that matter in a geographical area. That is a vector quantity. A vector quantity usually use a direction which shows arrow. So with that, let me give you the difference between distance and displacement. In a distance, we have A to B. So if this is west and this is east. So in distance, let this be just 3 meters. So the distance here is 3 meters. That is the distance. Okay, the distance is just 3 meters. But the displacement, which we state that we have 3 meters to the east. So that is displacement. Okay, so the displacement we shows 3 meters to the east. That is displacement. So we have displacement, which shows we have 3 meters to the east. So now how do we have? We have 3 meters from west to east. Okay, so that shows displacement. We have velocity. Velocity also shows the direction itself. It shows direction 20 meters per second to the north, 20 meters per second to the south. It shows the direction in a geographical area, though we use north, west, south, and east to show the geographical direction itself. We have acceleration, force, momentum, and weight. Force, that is mass times acceleration. So acceleration is the one that shows the direction. Momentum, we have mass times velocity. Velocity there shows the direction. Weight is also the same thing. We have mass times acceleration due to gravity, and that shows the direction. Is it up or down? So for example, we have 60 kilometers per hour in westerly direction. That shows the direction itself. So comparing scalars and vector quantities. In definition, scalar quantity has magnitude only, while vector quantities has both magnitude and direction. Representation is just a single number with unit, while vector quantities shows arrow or bold symbol with direction. Example of scalar quantity is mass, time, temperature, and speed, while vector quantities we have force, velocity, displacement, weight, momentum. Algebra. Scalar quantity is just ordinary algebra, but vector quantity shows a vector algebra. While the graphical form, it points on a number line, while in a vector quantity it shows arrowed in space. So this will be the end of today's class. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you in our next video. Bye.